Today we're having a broker's open house and Crystal is hosting it, and she's not only an agent from the Willers Homes team with Sirhan, but she also owns Swan City Title. So let's go check it out. She's probably setting everything up. So let's see what she's offering at her broker's open house. 1944 Vista View, Lakeland 33813. It is today from 12 to 2. So if you're a realtor, please stop by. And if you're a buyer, contact Elizabeth Willers with Sirhan or Crystal, and let's get you in this new home by, let's see, what holiday? Not February. Oh, by Easter. And it's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, over 2,600 square feet. Look how gorgeous it is. I'll tell you, the sellers did a great job renovating this home. It's not just cosmetics. They did an awesome job. So love the front door, love the color. And then look at this green. And this is the dining room. And let's check out Crystal. Hey, Crystal. I told you she's going to be very busy setting everything up. So I'm going to stop so I can help her. So stop by today, 1944 Vista View, Lakeland, Florida, 33813. And let me just give you a quick tour. So this is the great room when you first walk in. Look at the staircase. Look at the lighting. They did such a great job with all that. And then this is the family room. And it's vaulted ceilings. And then that huge fan, the patio, and check out this kitchen. How gorgeous is this kitchen? Look, Chris. And then look at this bay window. And then I just patio. And look at this backyard. This is what buyers want, guys. They want this big backyard. You could put a pool in here. It's all fenced in. And look at this setup Crystal did. Oh my gosh. So she has Chardonnay. She has water. Tell us about the sandwiches. Where's the vegetarian sandwiches?
Listen, I'll spell it. I tried. I looked.
Okay, so then, oh, look at the cookies. Wait, what kind of cookies are these right here?
Oh, those are strawberry cheesecake.
Ooh, okay.
And then, we have to do
and then what kind of sandwich are these?
Those are turkey and Gouda.
And then we have potato salad, and then we have chips. And then, of course, this was displayed by Flower Pot and Company. How pretty is that? So if you're interested in seeing this beautiful home, contact Elizabeth Willers and the Willers Homes team with Sirhan.